Hey guys, welcome back to another one of Marcus Media. Today I'm featuring Mr. Rich Lay. Rich, so what's your company's name?
Rich Builder and Home Renovations.
Okay, and currently we're in Garden Grove, California.
Yes.
And what is behind us right now? Can you tell the audience know what this is?
This is
You're building an ADU, right?
the ADU slab. We pour concrete today,
Okay. And how's it going for you guys? Did you pass inspection?
yeah, we passed the inspection yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long does this take to dry and cure, Rich?
This take one day, and tomorrow and the day after is raining to put some concrete. So I will contact and water it.
Okay, perfect. So for the audience that doesn't know how to build ADUs, what's the next step in the build, Rich?
We frame.
Framing.
We order material ready. So
Okay.
the lumber will be here on Friday, and then next week we frame.
And you frame. And how long does framing take, roughly?
Roughly about 7 to 10 days.
7 to 10 days. So your average build is how long from start to finish, Rich? So the customers know to reach out to you.
Without if it was straight,
No delays
no
and
delay anything, about 3 months.